Red Eye Flight, 5 a.m. to BCD. First stop, welcome to my guys. Dito tayo sa McDo. Ayan tayo ng house. And madami pa tayong kakainin. Warm up muna. El Ijal or Ijal. Order it today. Notes. Ito ang kanilang goods. May biskotso, egg crackers, anything under the sun. Mango tart nga. Stick bread, biskotso. Ito mukhang classic. And yung rice. Uboy-uboy. Ito yung kanilang bread. Meron silang rolls and buns. Loaf bread. Size difference. Oh, big buns. Ito ang kanilang cafe. May mga cold treats din, halo-halo. And pies. Apple pie, coconut pie, egg pie, fruit. Daming pie. Anong review dyan? Sampalok.
Kasi matamis na maasim.
Tamarindo pala yung tawag naman. Tamarindo. 1 to 10. 8. 8. Maasim na tamis. Next stop, Ayala Malls, Capitol Central. Hindi lang kita pero Capitol Central. Wala pang tao kasi kaka-open lang. It's March 27, 10 a.m. Sa labas na Ayala Malls. Mini food court. Pero mainit kasi walang aircon. Lunch time. Saan tayo napunta?
Ako na may chicken.
Kenny's. Ito the locals. Kaya sa mainit. Dahil close na ang museum, dito na lang kami sa Cathedral. Ayan, inside San Sebastian Chapel. Cathedral. Ay, doggy! Ba't may dog sa loob? Yung katapat niya yung plaza doon. Dito kami sa bus on the way to SM from the Cathedral. And right outside SM and Banokan Country, may malaking bongbongs. Nasa shopping mo, Miss Francine. Ang dami. May Napoleones
Pag
din.
natikman nyo, makakalimutan nyo.
Sino makakalimutan?
Makakalimutan mo si Ina.
Ulo.
Oh,
Nako.
Ina.
Dami. Sikat, diba?
Oh, yan yung butterscotch na napakasarap.
Got the goods. Now on the way to the plaza. Ano yan? Paano yung City of Smiles? Yan. Alright. Kasi lang parang small gazebo. Ang ganda ng angle ng City of Smiles with the San Sebastian Cathedral right behind. Of course, with the bongbong. So, Bacolod right now. Malapit lang naman. Kaya nung lakarin, walkable naman lahat. Talagang mainit lang. Sobrang init lang dito sa Bacolod. So, as much as possible, nag-jeep kami or aircon buses like those. Yung mga small ones. Morning! Started my run. Hindi na nakapag-intro. And dito ako sa may lagoon. May mga nag-zumba ako na Holy Thursday. Let's go, I think 7K minimum. Let's go 412. Ito yung kanilang City Hall yata. Let's go. The other side, yan ang lagoon. May mga playgrounds dito sa side for the kids. I think it's around the 300 meter loop. And madami din mga walkers, joggers, and runners. Next stop, Upper East by Mega World. Avenue din siya for runners. So madami mga naglalakad. Clean yung roads. No? And may bike lanes. Very open spaces. Okay, 6 kilometers in. Alright, here at Ayala Malls again, Capitol Central. Not sure kung sila yung kanina nasa Lagoon. Pero this time, madami sila. Baka mas active ang kanilang trainer. Mukhang nakakain na ng breakfast. So, sarado ang Negros Museum. Mag-open daw siya after ng Holy Week. So, next time, babalikan natin yan. That's it. So, we're done. 10 kilometers. So, yan. Sarado yung mall today. Kasi Holy Thursday and tomorrow, Good Friday. So, sarado lahat. Taj Mahal of Negros pala to. Ito ang loob ng The Ruins. So, may mga chandelier sila. Ang ganda. Parang pag umulan, babasa yung loob nun. Pero ang galing na na-maintain nila ito. Cups. Ruins mo. Manok. Oo nga, wala tayong manok na. With the fountain and the facade of the mansion. Yung mga hardinero sila. Kasi syempre dami ito yung dahon, yung puno. Yung cafe, and ano yan. Gazebo restaurant to. Ito yung cafe nila. Ito yung mga tractors natin. Saan banda yung tractor? Parang ay ito na. Please do not touch. Oh, ganda pala. May ganyan ako dati. Ito yung mga tractors. Ito nasa ref ko. Coke. Told you. Nabalik tayo dito. Table for 4 please. So sadly, wala na sila ibang ulam kundi fancy. So mag-take out na lang kami. Okay, day 3. Another run. Let's go. Okay. 15 kilometers done. And it's very hot morning. Look at this, how dripping. All the sweat. Grabe, sobrang init. I had to push. The work was hard, so we gotta stay hard. Yeah. Happy Good Friday, boys. So, swimming time muna. Okay. Batch 2. Ibang bangs. May procession dito. On the way to Jotais. 7K, steady lang, 7K. Recovery after the 15K yesterday. And then 6:30 AM na, taas na agad ng araw. Ano na, 7K done. Crazy. Okay. After the buko, dun galing ang buko. 25 pesos. Tapos 40 yung large. Ah, yes.
Ang 7 tag ang pre, ano.
Sarang naman.